Come on, Frederick. You can do it. Eat the cheese. Eat the cheese. Oh, he's pissed himself. That's disgusting. Frederick, you're gonna need to clean that up, I'm afraid, because I just can't do that. That's disgusting. Eat your cheese or get out. Stop cleaning yourself. I think I'm going to let you back out into the wild. Daisy, I'm going to take him out to the bush now. Just want to say goodbye. Frederick. It's not what? Frederick Brown. That's not a really Australian name, but shit, look at his tail. Maybe we should put a plaster on that. Okay. That's good day from me. And good day for Frederick. Rescued from Ringo.